Bird dog on a foam roller. So this is sort of complex. So the regression clearly is to do a regular alternating bird dog on the floor. This provides us variable surface training, which is substantially more challenging. So it looks like this. Get your setup. Take your time. It might look easy, but it's pretty hard. So before you get there, obviously you want to make sure you have this regular bird dog. Then you want to put your feet up like this. Make sure you can stabilize across that diagonal as well. Then after that, you're ready to try this. Now, if you are sloppily falling off of this thing and you have zero control, regress it. If you find yourself just really trembling, sort of getting it right, almost getting it right, just stick with it because your body is going to, that means your body's learning in a healthy environment, with providing that new stimulus, that variable surface. But again, if you're not, just regress it. But this is a challenge for you. Enjoy.